Hey friends, if you wish to fix install error 1603 fatal error during installation on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and then select delete files. The last solution is a clean boot. So search for disk system configuration and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.